Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to make Gajar Ka Halwa farm fresh or also known as carrot sweet, and I am going to share you guys the recipe that I'll be making this. So this is carrot, and I'll show you the ingredients: some dry fruits, milk solids, desi ghee, and a cup of milk, of course sugar. This is homemade desi ghee. First we will grate the carrot, and after finishing grating, we will put in the pan or a kadai, and I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of desi homemade ghee, and cover this up and let it cook for about around 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to cut these dry fruits. I'm going to chop these dry fruits into half, quarter. So the dry fruits that I have are cashew, raisins, walnut, and almonds. And for garnishing, I also have black cardamom and green cardamom. Finally, the walnut. Alright, you guys, we can use any type of dry fruits that we want or we like it. Let me see the status of the. Okay, the ghee has melted, and let me check after stirring it. Yes, it has been melted, and the texture is a little bit different from what it was around 5 minutes ago. And I'm going to add this amount of sugar, a small sized saucer of sugar, and cover it up and leave it aside for maybe another 5 minutes. And in the meantime, while that gets cooked again, I'm going to peel the cardamom and I'm going to grind into powder. So I'm using black cardamom and green cardamom. You can use either one of those. Since I had both in my home, I'm using both. So I'm grinding manually, not using the mixture. So the grinding process has been finished. Alright, after 5 minutes, the sugar is still intact. It's not melted, which I was expecting. Anyways, I need to stir it, and now it will melt it. Okay. Alright, this is milk solids, normally used in the sweets parlor where we get to eat sweets. And let us grate this. It has just been taken out of the fridge, so we need to grate this. It is also called mawa or kova in Hindi. And since it has just been taken out of the fridge, I'm going to heat it up a little bit so that it gets a little bit of loosened up, and maybe it'll turn into light brown. And I'm going to add half mug of milk, and the cardamom powder, of course. Cover it up for a minute, and after that stir it. Okay, the milk solid has turned golden brown and it's a little bit warm, so it should mix it very well with the grated carrot, and also the dry fruits that I have cut into small bits and pieces. I'm going to stir it for some time until the water gets completely dried up. I have switched off the gas stove. Okay, the Gajar Ka Halwa or carrot sweet is ready and I am serving it. If you guys like this video, do like, share and subscribe among your friends. And also in future, what kind of videos do you guys would you like me to upload? Please write in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming recipes. This looks very delicious. Bye bye.